Can I just say, sobrang gutom na kami after volunteering in an NGO event and nakakita kami ng Blake's Wings and Steaks along the way, so we know we had to drop by. Diretso na agad dahil sa gutom, we got the grilled steak salad with Asian dressing for 565. Madami ang serving, perfect for sharing, and sobrang sarap ng Asian-style vinaigrette na kasama ng steak at ng mixed greens. We also got the Blake's Nachos that was served hot and sobrang nakakatakam. For 545, you get a flavor and texture explosion in your mouth. Must order to. The lemon pepper wicked wings in dry rub option is also good. It was hot when served, light, crispy batter, and the flavor was subtle pero okay din para di overpowering. This was just 565 for a dozen pieces. For our main, we ordered the Blake signature pork ribs. This is 1 kilo option. 8 pieces ito ng meaty pork ribs that was soft, juicy, and well-balanced ang spices and barbecue sauce. I would say sobrang perfect ito for the Filipino palate, and it comes with a generous serving of corn and carrot on the side. Kinain namin to with their Java rice na di ko na nasama sa video kasi mas mabilis pang naubos bago ko ma-videohan. Last nila na serve itong truffle mac and cheese na miss out nung nagsiserve may isama kaya busog na kami when it arrived. This was 495 and in fairness, piping hot ito nung na-serve. They used a good amount of truffle, hindi overpowering at masakit sa palate, just enough to enhance the mac and cheese na base ng dish. Merong bagong branch ng Blake's Wings and Steaks sa King's Court Building along Chino Roses in Makati. You can visit if you're around the area, pero marami pa silang branches everywhere in the metro. Ito pala yung menu nila that I got from their website. Just pause for reference. Overall, na-enjoy namin lahat ng order. The serving sizes and the taste justified the bill. If you're looking for a rib and steak place na suited sa Filipino taste, Blake's is a good option, kaya I say go na, try mo na.